welcome back to my channel. Today, let me give the rundown. So Tuesday I got paid, and then I bought the Canon G7X. It just came in the mail. I'm so happy. And then I'm pretty sure this is a tripod that I ordered for it. So I'm about to open it. I'm so excited. Like, my address is on here. I'm gonna blur that out, but I'm about to open it. Y'all, I don't even have scissors. I'm so happy. Okay, so in the package it comes with like a little camera little bag. This is nice. By the way, this is from TED Electronics. I ordered it off of Walmart, and it was way cheaper than if I were to buy it off of like Canon site. Here's the bag. Super cute, little, nice, carry it around. I don't know what this is. Should I be using light? I don't know. But you have this little thing here. I don't know what this is. You have a little cleaning kit right here. Then you have this little SD card thing. No, I'm not sure. It's a USB thing. Then you have a SD card wallet. Then I have a 32 gigabyte SD card that comes with this package. I'll link it down below if I post this. And then you have the actual camera. Oh my gosh, this is not real life. Okay. And I bought this with my own money, y'all. Just putting that out there. So it comes with a little book, and then I believe this is for the charger. This is for the strap for the camera. Okay, this is the camera. This is it, guys. It flips up. I need the battery, of course. The battery's probably dead. I don't know how to turn this on. This is crazy. How do you turn this on? I feel like a grandma. How do you turn this on? Is the camera dead? Confusion. Maybe it needs the SD card. Nice to meet you. I'm sorry. Is the camera, the battery dead? I'll be right back. I gotta look up how you turn this camera on. I opened up the tripod here. It's super cute. Like, I'm so impatient, guys, so I'm gonna take it out of the charger now because I don't have time to be sitting here for it to fully charge. Like, I've been waiting for this camera for a few days, and I need it. So I'm gonna need this to go in here. Wait, I put something wrong. I feel like I did. Hold on. It turned on. Okay, I have to set up the date and time. Give me one moment again. Okay, y'all. This quality is so good. Oh my gosh. What the fuck? Oh. Let me put this tripod on. I actually got some screen protectors on Amazon Prime yesterday. It's 1-day shipping, so that should hopefully be here today. I'm not gonna be too upset if it's not here, but like, yeah. I look gross. Oh, let's put on video. Y'all. Okay, let's try to record. How you record? I don't know how to do anything on this thing.